Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is February 12th, 2015. It is Thursday. There was no trading in the room on Tuesday because I was sick. And yesterday we had a tough day on the 13 range because you really have to stay ultra conservative on this trade, on this chart. You cannot give it any latitude. And I really was taking a lot of liberties you can take on an 8 range, but you cannot on a 13. And I had one trade go 9 ticks. We need 10 for a first target. I had another one go 8. We need 10 for a first target. I had one go 18, and we need 20 for a second target. So it was difficult. And I just didn't make a video because we just didn't have time. You'll see our results posted. But today what we did was we stayed ultra conservative. We only took the trades that really are in our playbook. We want order flow and momentum to be with every entry. And if possible, we really want bias as well. And this was the first trade on gold. And there are not that many 13 range trades on gold, but we're using the 13 range because it requires a 1-tick pullback. Therefore, everyone gets in the trade if it pulls back. It eliminates slippage and changes our risk to reward. Our reward on a trade is $430, and our risk is $420. So very uniquely, the risk to reward is shifted in our favor. We can never get that on an 8 range. And on this break to the downside, it'd be nice if I pressed the right button on the and the retracement. See, it gave us some heat, but then it fired down 27 ticks. Direct entry stamp, 2 off, 2 we're now only trading 3 contracts, not 4. So we have less round trips. This was a $430 winner. And then you can see the rest of the day, nothing on gold. Now, there was just nothing on bonds and notes, just nothing. Now on crude oil, what I did was crude was a little frustrating this morning. Tremendous volatility, but it just never set up for a nice entry. You can see I did the differential between the candle body open and the modified 15 here is 7 ticks. We want that to be 4 or less. We had our best background bias, the dark green, and just couldn't get into this long trade on crude. And then the move to the downside didn't have bias. Now, you could have taken this trade, but this trade occurred right when we were in the gold trade. I might have taken that short, and that would have given us a definite first target for sure. Went 15, so we would have made nice money on that trade. It wouldn't have given us a complete second target at 20, but it would have been a 15-tick trade. And then what I did was I went short right here. Now this is one of our few retracement trades that we can take, and that is simply a break of the 15. See that I broke it right here. Now, criteria is that there's one full candle above the trend line. This is to eliminate chop. So you have to have this full candle above. Then we had the next candle. Just not quite break. Then finally, we had the candle break the 15 with order flow, with momentum. See the candles outlined in yellow. The 50s down, and we have background bias. Bam, 44 ticks on the trade. We're done. We had 2 trades, 2 winners, 27 on gold, 44 on crude, net tick 71, net equity $860. Auto trader trades none. Now let's see how crude set up for another great trade right here. Order flow momentum with you on the trade, background bias with you. This is a gimme trade, I think. Now it did give you heat. I don't know, it came back full candle almost. But it did. There was no way it would have stopped you out. Entry would have been here, and we'll take the heat as long as we get the winner, and that would have gone 42 ticks. So a couple of very, very nice trades on crude. And then on the Russell, there was really nothing that set up. Oh, this was a trade. This is a bounce off the 50 with bias. Very rare trade that I could have taken long. It was just a very, very aggressive trade. But very, very conservatively speaking, there was just nothing here. Absolutely nothing to trade on the Russell today. No nice retracement trades. And on the ES, I entered this trade here, and it pushed up 2 ticks, or 1 tick, 2 from our entry. And then I got concerned when it started to collapse, so I exited at break even. Now the trade would have been a winner. It would have gone 10 points or 10 ticks. So this could have potentially been our second winner. We still got a second winner, but this turned out to be a very, very nice trade on the ES. Now I took it with background bias. There was an order flow and momentum, and that was why I was a little tentative on the trade. It pushed up nicely, fairly rapidly after I entered, and then it just started sitting, going back a tick, forward a tick, and I just, very conservative, I closed the trade. It would have come back and it would have given us heat, but our stop is 1 tick below the close of this candle, and it wouldn't have come close to stopping us out, and we would have gone right through to a 2-target win. And let's see if we've got anything else here. This is a beautiful trade right here. Move back. And this is a trade I would have taken. It's right into the pivot. Ultra conservative trading, you wouldn't have taken it. I would have taken this trade, and that would have gone 7 ticks. First target is 4. Second target is 6. We would have been all out. That would have been a very, very lucrative trade. Again, if we get 2 winners and we make $800, we're not going to continue to trade. So nice setups today. We don't need many on a 13-range chart. We just need 2. If we get 2 trades that go over 20 ticks, we make over $800 in profit, and we're done for the day. And that's how we really close the day today. We have a lot of people in the trading room, and we really welcome you to come in. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity for the auto trader, which this month, by the way, has taken 7 trades and 7 winners. If you want to make nice money on very little commissions, the auto trader is the way to do it. You do not have to babysit the auto trader. Turn it on and walk away. And it's 7 for 7 so far this month. We're very shortly going to add the ES auto trader to it. If you're leasing the auto trader now that we have, the ES comes as an add-on. If we release it before you do that, you're going to have to lease them separately. There's also a link to an info page where you can, a contact us page where you can just get a pre-formatted email and send us a comment or a question, or you can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com. Our phone number is 1-855-765-6681. We'd really appreciate if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and if you give us a thumbs up. So listen, come on into the room. We really want you to join us up. Join up. So listen, have a great day. We will make a video tomorrow, good or bad. Everyone have a great afternoon.